Good day, guys. How y'all doing? Ice Hat FPV here. Yeah, in the car driving, looking for a spot to fly. This video is gonna go out to Kevfpv today. I was watching one of his videos a few days ago. If you don't know who Kev is, go check out his video, and he will go check out his channel, I should say. I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, Kev was talking about how he draws inspiration not only from flying but from playing guitar as well. And I was like, wow, it was like I was the same way. I spent years playing guitar, playing in bands. Had a blast. My last few years have been pretty mellow though, and probably hear that in the song. Not quite as heavy as what Kev was playing, but I used to play my heavy stuff back in the day too. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play the song. It's not my song. It's a Pearl Jam song actually. It's called. And there's gonna be no singing in this one because yeah, I don't sing, guys. You don't want to hear me sing. Believe me. So yeah, it's kind of like a little instrumental. It's not the best recording. It's been just my phone sitting on top of my guitar amp, so you hear my pedals clicking and a few off notes and whatnot. But whatever. It's my other passion as well, playing music. Hope you enjoy, guys. Have a great day. Whoa, this guy is. Alright. Talk to you later. Hey guys, well that never worked out as planned. We're looking for a motor now. Check it out, ripped right off. At least the C is still there. This one's hanging off too. It manages to survive. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. Alright, there it is. Wow. Shit, I didn't think I'd be able to save that one. Well, looks like my quad is out of commission for a while until I get some new motors. Because I don't have a spare, I don't believe. So yeah. SD card still there. Well guys, that's it for that quad for a while. Still got one left. So yeah. Well Kev, that song was for you and the flight, but it never quite worked out as planned. So alright, get in the next one. Cheers guys.